Novant Health is an integrated network of physician clinics, outpatient facilities, and hospitals with more than 1,500 doctors and over 28,000 employees. They service the Carolinas, Georgia, and Virginia. A visit to this Charlotte location reveals that Novant Health fosters an environment of diversity and inclusion.
Novant Health's core values: compassion, diversity and inclusion, personal excellence, courage, and teamwork are all principles that veterans embody through their service.
I'm CARMEN, and I'm the Senior Vice President and Chief Human Resources Officer at Novant Health, in which I have the honor of being accountable for the health and well-being of our people and our culture. I come from a family of veterans. Several of my uncles have served in the armed forces, and it's a real honor and pleasure for me to take forward the lessons that I've learned into the work that I do at Novant Health.
The organization actively recruits veterans like Community Engagement Coordinator Vennie Patterson, whose time in the U.S. Army prepared her for a career at Novant Health.
I was frustrated with my job choices after college, so I decided that the Army would be the best course of action for me at obtaining additional technical skills. Qualified as a lab tech specialist, and I was off and running after that. I've been at Novant Health for 9 years. It is a wonderful culture for us to transition into because of the structure, the hierarchy, the organization, the leadership opportunities, the training, and the education. At Novant Health, my job is to be out in the community, to engage individuals and to help change their mindset about their healthy lifestyles. We seek to develop those tangible relationships. Doing that, we're able to help encourage them to make changes in their healthy lifestyles.
With an impressive resume, major in the U.S. Army Reserve, classical pianist, professor, and cardiologist here at Novant Health Heart and Vascular Institute, it's easy to see how Dr. Kobina Wilmot embodies the company's purpose, vision, and values.
So I work with a team of about 5 to 6 cardiologists, a team that's full of diversity, hard work, who really strongly has a lot of interest in management of his patients and cardiovascular diseases. Just like in the military, where teamwork is essential to achieve the goals of the unit, at Novant Health and our Heart and Vascular Institute, essentially the same is true. Working collegially and to the best of our ability, we always are attempting to help our patients have the best outcomes and to have great experiences here.
The Veterans Business Resource Group at Novant Health provides a foundation for veterans to connect with each other and support other veterans or those in active duty.
The Business Resource Group allows us to reach out to each other and know each other.
So the Veterans Business Group at Novant is important because it connects veterans that work at Novant Health and is a kind of a central location where you can get information disseminated to you about what veterans are doing or trying to reach out to veterans. When veterans are on leave, you can see that they try to see how they're doing and send care packages and things like that.
We want veterans to consider us as an employer of choice. We're a best place to work, a place where veterans are welcome and invited to bring their full selves to work and to join again in that sense of belonging.
At Novant Health, people are their business. The people who deliver care and those who receive care. Novant Health understands firsthand the principles and values veterans bring to the workplace and communities.
Overall, it is that culture of inclusiveness that they provide us that makes us feel like what we bring to the table is important.
It's important for Novant Health to employ veterans because we absolutely want to maximize the talents that they bring. They've learned critical skills on the front lines around critical decision-making, teamwork, collaboration, compassion. All of those ideals and skills are very much in line with the core values at Novant Health.